In the heart of Bend Tree, vast landscapes of discarded coconut husks pile up like golden mountains, waiting for a second chance at life and purpose. Once considered mere agricultural waste, these fibers are the raw soul of a new movement in sustainable design, bridging the gap between nature and luxury. The process begins with the raw power of transformation, as heavy machinery tears through the tough, tangled husks to release the potential hidden within each strand. Every strand is unique, a testament to the resilience of nature that has weathered the tropical storms of Vietnam before becoming the foundation of high-end art. Experienced hands guide the initial selection, sorting through the chaos of Phay Thai to find the highest quality fibers suitable for the intense journey ahead. Y'all, there is a deep connection here between the land and the people, a humble beginning for a product that will eventually grace the world's most elegant homes. From the rustic fields of the Mekong Delta, we move into the sophisticated world of industrial innovation, where technology meets tradition to redefine the future. Inside the facility, a symphony of engineering begins. The air is thick with anticipation as raw fibers are prepared for the trial by fire and pressure. Precision is key at this stage. The fibers are laid out with mathematical accuracy, forming the base of a material that rivals the strength of traditional hardwoods. Thousands of tons of pressure are about to descend, forcing the air out and the organic bonds in, turning loose strands into a solid, unified structure. Intense heat is applied through high-frequency waves, vibrating the molecules of the fibers and natural resins to create a bond that is virtually unbreakable and eternal. Listen to the sound of transformation. The hiss of steam signals the chemical and physical rebirth of the coconut, shedding its past to become something extraordinary. The heat deepens the natural hues, drawing out a rich, sophisticated palette that speaks of earth and luxury, far removed from its humble origin as waste. This is where science meets nature. Every fiber is locked in place, creating a sustainable composite that is water-resistant, durable, and breathtakingly beautiful in its density. The machine releases its grip, and a new material is born. Stronger than many woods and entirely eco-friendly, this board is the foundation of quiet luxury. Look closely at the cross-section. The chaos of the waste pile has been refined into a disciplined, solid architecture ready for the most demanding design requirements. The contrast is staggering. From brittle waste to a high-performance material, we have successfully harnessed the power of technology to give nature a second life. Yet only the perfect boards move forward. Each piece is inspected to ensure it meets the rigorous standards required for international furniture markets and elite clientele worldwide. Entering the digital realm, our coconut boards meet the precision of CNC technology. This is where mathematical blueprints become tangible, elegant shapes of high-end furniture. The drill bit spins at incredible speeds, cutting through the dense material with surgical precision. There is no room for error when creating world-class furniture designs. Watch as the machine follows the elegant curves of contemporary design. These shapes are ergonomic, sophisticated, and pushed to the limit of what sustainable materials can achieve. In slow motion, the removal of excess material looks like a dance. Every grain of dust removed reveals the hidden silhouette of a masterpiece underneath the surface. Efficiency meets art. By optimizing the cutting patterns, we minimize waste and ensure that every inch of the recycled fiber is used to its full potential. As the machine carves deeper, it reveals a texture that is both familiar and exotic, a unique grain that cannot be replicated by any other natural material. Every edge is sharp, every corner is crisp. The technology allows us to create complex joinery that ensures the furniture will last for generations of use. Accuracy is measured in microns. This level of precision is what separates ordinary furniture from international luxury pieces that are celebrated for their flawless construction. We return to the roots of fine craftsmanship using modern tools. These interlocking joints provide superior strength, honoring traditional woodworking techniques in a contemporary, sustainable context. A clean process for a clean product. Our factory maintains the highest standards of safety and cleanliness, but reflecting the purity of the quiet luxury philosophy we uphold. The parts fit together like a puzzle. This seamless integration is a testament to the harmony between digital design and the physical reality of our coconut material. From the mountains of waste to these refined components, the journey of the coconut fiber has reached its architectural peak, ready for the final human touch. Technology provides the frame, but the human spirit provides the soul. We move into the finishing studio, where every piece is touched by a master's hand. The rhythmic sound of sanding is the heartbeat of this stage. Layer by layer, the artisan removes the last traces of the machine, making it human. It takes patience to achieve perfection. Our craftsmen spend hours on a single piece, ensuring that every curve is soft to the touch and visually stunning. Every edge is softened, every surface refined. The goal is to create furniture that invites touch, yet a tactile experience that connects the owner to the material's origin. Then comes the magic of the finish. Natural oils are applied, soaking into the compressed fibers to protect and nourish the material from the inside out. The transformation is immediate. The colors deepen into a sophisticated palette of earth and stone, glowing with a natural luster that no synthetic paint could mimic. The unique grain of the coconut fiber is finally revealed in all its glory. It is a signature of sustainability, a pattern of life that tells a story. The final test is the touch. If the hand feels warmth and smoothness, the piece is ready. It is a moment of pride for the maker and excellence. This is more than just manufacturing, it is the creation of a legacy. Each piece carries the signature of the hands that helped it find its form. Natural textiles meet natural fibers. The addition of organic linen cushions completes the vision of a product that is entirely at peace with the environment it serves. Harmony is achieved through simplicity. Every component is essential, every material is honest, and the result is a masterpiece of modern, sustainable luxury design for today. As the sun sets on the workshop, we see the culmination of hard work and vision. A waste product has been elevated to the highest tier of art. Welcome to the world of quiet luxury. Here, the finished pieces find their home in spaces that value silence, quality, and a deep respect for the planet. The collection stands as a testament to the fact that sustainability does not mean sacrifice. True luxury is found in the kindness we show to our world. Notice how the light plays on the surface. It is a living material, one that breathes and brings a sense of grounded tranquility to any modern interior. Experience the comfort of nature. To sit on this furniture is to feel the support of 1,000 fibers, now transformed through human ingenuity into a seat of power. This is a lifestyle of intention. It is about choosing pieces that have a story, a soul, and a positive impact on the world we share together. Remember where it began. From the discarded husk of a fruit to the peak of international design, this is the incredible journey of a miraculous, local rebirth. A circular revolution is here. We are turning the tide on waste, proving that with enough passion and technology, everything can be reborn into something truly magnificent. Quiet luxury, sophistication through kindness. This is the future of furniture, and it begins with the humble coconut. Join us in this beautiful, sustainable transformation.